Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Epic Games launcher setup. Wizard ended prematurely. Error while trying to install it. Don't worry, here is a simple way to fix it. First, open the official website of Epic Games. Download the installer from the official games website. Now, instead of just running it directly, which might give you the error, go to your Windows search bar and type Task Manager. Just click on Run New Task and go to Browse and go to the folder where your Epic installer setup file is saved. You might not see the file right away, so at the bottom right corner of the window here, click on it and click on All Files. Now you can see the Epic installer here. Click on it and open. Then don't forget to click on Create this task with administrative privileges. Then hit on OK. Now click on Install. Your Epic Games installer will now launch with admin rights, and instead of crashing midway, it will properly install, update DirectX, and set up everything smoothly. Once it is done, you will be able to log in and start gaming without any issues. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more PC fixes.